Grow endless basil at home, a beginner's guide. Tired of buying expensive, wilted basil from the store? Imagine having a constant supply of fresh, fragrant basil right at your fingertips. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to grow thriving basil at home, even if you've never gardened before. Basil isn't just basil. There's a whole world of flavors and aromas to explore. Let's take a look at some popular varieties. Sweet basil is the classic choice, perfect for pesto and Italian dishes. Its flavor is sweet and slightly peppery. Thai basil offers a licorice-like flavor that's amazing in Southeast Asian cuisine. Think stir-fries and pho. Lemon basil brings a bright, citrusy note to salads and drinks. It's a refreshing twist on the traditional basil flavor. When starting, you can choose between seeds and seedlings. Seeds are more economical, but seedlings give you a head start. If you're buying seeds, look for reputable brands with high germination rates. A good start is half the battle. For seedlings, choose plants with vibrant green leaves and sturdy stems. Avoid any with yellowing or spots. Now that you've chosen your basil, it's time to get planting. Let's walk through the process step by step. If you're starting from seed, you'll need a seed tray, potting mix, and a grow light, optional. A warm, sunny windowsill can also work. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep in the potting mix. Gently water them and keep the soil consistently moist. Basil seeds need warmth and moisture to germinate. Expect to see sprouts in about 5-10 days. If you're using a seedling, choose a pot that's at least 6 inches in diameter. This gives the roots plenty of room to grow. Use a high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. Potting mix is lighter and provides better drainage. Gently remove the seedling from its container, being careful not to damage the roots. Support the base of the stem. Dig a hole in the potting mix and place the seedling in the hole. Backfill with potting mix and gently pat it down. Water the basil thoroughly after planting. This helps settle the soil and encourages root growth. Basil needs at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. A sunny windowsill or a spot in your garden is ideal. Proper care is essential for a healthy and productive basil plant. Let's cover the basics of watering, fertilizing, and pruning. Water your basil when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Don't let it completely dry out. Be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Basil likes moist but not soggy soil. Feed your basil with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. This provides the nutrients it needs to thrive. Pinching is a crucial step for encouraging bushy growth. It might seem counterintuitive, but it really works. To pinch, simply snip off the top sets of leaves, just above a leaf node, where leaves grow from the stem. Pinching also prevents early flowering. Once basil flowers, it stops producing as many leaves, and the flavor can become bitter. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids. If you spot them, treat your basil with insecticidal soap. The best part of growing basil is harvesting it and enjoying the fresh flavor. Here's how to harvest properly. Harvest your basil leaves by cutting them off just above a leaf node. This encourages new growth from that point. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more leaves. Don't be afraid to harvest frequently. Use your fresh basil in all sorts of dishes. Pesto, salads, pasta sauces, the possibilities are endless. Growing basil at home is easy, rewarding, and delicious. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy a constant supply of fresh basil all season long. Now it's your turn. Grab some seeds or seedlings, follow these tips, and start growing your own basil today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.